it's Emily, and today I'm here with my daughter Everly, and we are going to be doing my first Clean With Me video. So I've been requested to do one of these videos. Everly had a friend over, and that friend left today, and they came in her room and completely had so much fun, but they destroyed it. And so we are going to be doing a Clean With Me video because I think it'll be fun to do it here in Everly's room. And I'm like really particular about her room and where all of her toys go. So I wanted to do this video because I thought it would be fun. Also, my hair is not fixed because nobody wears their hair fixed when they clean. This is what my hair looks like all the time when I'm cleaning and at home. And I've been having severe neck pain, and I've been having this horrible headache the last couple of days from the way that I've been fixing my hair. It's just been really hurting. So I've just been not fixing my hair unless I absolutely have to the last couple of days. So excuse my hair. It doesn't always look good. This is proof. So let's get started. Yay!
Yay!
What happened? So much better. Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Woohoo!
Yeah.
So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and give me some other suggestions for videos that you'd like to see. Let me know if you like this Clean With Me video and tell me some other places you would like to see me clean. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I am so close to hitting 7,000 subscribers. I am so excited. So thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.